The overall goal of this procedure is to fabricate micellar nanocrystals by combining top-down electrospray, bottom-up self-assembly, and an inexpensive solvent-based method of structure control.
This method offers a good way to produce an emerging class of nanobiomaterials known as micellar nanocrystals, which can be useful for biomedical detection, imaging, and therapy.
The main advantages of this technique include, firstly, it's a continuous process. Secondly, it produces high-quality products. And thirdly, it has an inexpensive way of controlling structure.
Potentially, this technique could be adapted to produce other types of nanomaterials as well.
To begin the procedure, dissolve 10 mg of hydrophobic quantum dots in 20 ml of either chloroform or tetrahydrofuran, depending on the desired micelle shape. Vortex the solution for 20 seconds. Next, dissolve 100 mg of polystyrene block polyethylene glycol in 10 ml of either chloroform or THF, depending on the desired shape. If the solution is in chloroform, vortex it for 20 seconds. If the solution is in THF, instead sonicate it in a bath sonicator for 2 minutes. Combine 1 ml of the quantum dot solution with 1 ml of the PS PEG solution. Vortex the mixture for 1 minute, and then draw the solution into a 5 ml PTFE syringe labeled Syringe A. Next, combine 400 mg of polyvinyl alcohol with 10 ml of deionized water. Stir the mixture at 60 to 80